Hi there, welcome to my channel. So in this series of AI services, I'll be discussing about the generative AI services, the models that are being provided by the various cloud service providers. So among them, the AWS, Azure, and Google. So I'll be showing you like what are they having their foundation models and what are the open source models they're having and whether they have some low code or no code deployment services or code completion services. So these are the few things that I'm going to discuss in this. And also I will showcase you the services that are being provided and the foundation models that are being used. So let's start. When we talk about the models, so in Amazon, the foundation model that we have the Amazon, the Bedrock. So it is the easiest way to build and scale your any generative applications by using this foundation model. So Amazon Bedrock is one of the like fully managed service that helps you to like having a high performing foundation models that most of the companies uses like a Meta, Mistral AI, Stability AI, even the Amazon, they are using this. And it can be used through a single API or there are lots of capabilities are there that can be provided by this Amazon Bedrock, along with the security, privacy, as well as the responsible AI. So this is one of the model that AWS is using as a foundation model. And in terms of machine learning and all, we have another one model that is a SageMaker. So now when we talk about the SageMaker, there is a SageMaker Jumpstart is also there. That is a commercialized one. Even we have the open source also. So we can utilize this SageMaker. So we can build, train, and deploy this machine learning models we can use with any infrastructure, tools, workflows. It actually makes it easier to start any set of solutions we can deploy. With just a few clicks, you can use this SageMaker. The next one is the Amazon Titan. So it is like exclusive to Bedrock. So the Titan is like basically a family of models that is around like in with Amazon from last 25 years. So it is a foundation model that provide like customers again high performance image, multi-model and text model choices with fully managed APIs. So it is created by the AWS and it is having a pre-trained large data sets, so making them more powerful to be utilized. So it has also having like variety of use cases, and it also support the responsible use of AI. So we can even customize this Titan. So these are the three models, the foundation models in terms of commercialization, also like a model catalog, or we can say like a open source. In terms with Azure, we have the Azure OpenAI. So that is offers industry leading coding and the language AI models that will help you to fine tune your specific needs in like large number of variety of use cases are there that we can utilize document and all. I will just show you what are the various AI services that are using these models as fundamental. But if you talk about this Azure OpenAI, this is like Microsoft investing a lot in this. So this is going to be like the next, like, in demand we will be having, we can see. And next one is GPT-4, the latest one. So it is a large multimodal model that we have. So it accepts text and image both as inputs and also generate some text. So it can also solve some problems we're having greater difficulty with much accuracy. There is a DALL-E is also there that is also used to generate the images with Azure OpenAI. And these are the three foundation models that the Microsoft Azure is providing. And among them, the common one both between the AWS and the Azure is the Hugging Face. So the AI community basically that builds for the future. So we have some model spaces and data sets. So it comes together under the one platform. as a home for the machine learning, in which we can accelerate our machine learning. So that is a happy Hugging Face. Then in the Google Cloud, we have the Vertex AI. So that is a build and deploy machine learning model that is much faster. Pre-trained APIs are there within their unified AI platform. So we can take advantage of the AutoML to build the models in very, very less time. And there is a very minimal expertise is required in order to use this Vertex AI. Then we have the PALM is there, and the latest one is the PALM 2. So this is state-of-art language model, which help you improve some multilingual reasoning and coding capabilities also there. So it can be used to be trained to other types of data, including code, images, audio, video, as well as many things. So even the Google is having some other models like Cody for generating the code, Imagen and Chirp are also there. So that will like with some new applications will be there with some different like we can have some use cases in which we can create some solutions to the world's like most challenging problems. So these are few models from the Google Cloud. So I will just quickly go through. Now, if you see over here, so these are the AI services. Now they're having some foundation models working behind, so we can customize also those models. So we can utilize this. This I have already discussed in my previous videos. Like we have the computer vision, automated data, and all. You can watch my previous video. So we have the language AI, code and DevOps and all, industrial AI, healthcare. We can utilize the services. So, so in this one, no machine learning is required. So you can see these are the models that are available in those particular regions. Now, when we talk about the Azure, you can see over here, this is the um, Azure AI. So building cutting edge market ready AI application with out of box and customizable APIs and models that we have. So if you see over here, we have OpenAI service. So we can have our own Copilot and generative AI applications along with the cutting edge language and vision models, or we can go ahead with the AI search, content safety, AI vision, AI speech, AI translator, language, document intelligence. So most of them like they work similar. So you won't have any difficulty. And if you click on any one of them, there is a documents and all how to utilize in the form of API calls or how to integrate and all the information is being provided and how you're going to train your model and all, how you customize your model, all the options are available. Next one in terms of Google Cloud. So here we have um, different, like if you want to summarize some large documents with generative AI, or if you want to have AI and ML image processing pipeline, or we can have to like common generative AI use cases. So we can also solve this. So there is Azure Studio, AI Studio is also there. Then the same like we have over here in the Google, we have AI Studio. Now, if you go to this one, if you click over here, artificial intelligence in Google Cloud, you can see the Vertex AI is there. So you can see over here, Vertex AI, one AI platform. Every ML tool you need, we have it over here. So you can see the docs and quick starts are there. You can just have a look. Now, if you go to the tables, it is being now, if you go to the docs, you will find out it's not being utilized anymore. It comes under the Vertex AI. You can see legacy version of AutoML table is depreciated. So it's quite like, um, it's updating very, very frequently. So we need to keep a check on these things, like which is getting outdated and which is getting depreciated and all. Then translation, document AI, search for detail, talent solution. So these are the services that we can utilize with the Google. So almost all of them are working like us, like the service they're providing, they are similar, but there might be some, the output might be more accuracy and all those things. Easy to use interface. So these things mostly matters. So this is all about the AI services provided by the three giant cloud service providers. Now, if I move on to the next thing, when we talk about, okay, so when we talk about the low code or the no code, so in terms of AWS, we have over here Amplify. So that will help you to build your extensive and full stack web and mobile apps faster. And it is quite easy to start, so easy to scale also, and with some high quality and scalable, as well as connectivity with cloud connectivity, the mobile web apps. We can have it with Amplify. So similarly in the Azure, we have the Power Apps. We can deliver some apps embedded with the AI to modernize our legacy applications and systems. We can also start from like a basic table or sketch or a sentence or anything. So this Power Apps is quite handy. So you can give a try to this Power Apps. It's very useful. The next no code or the low code is our uh, next generation app builder, that is from the Google. So we can build a new generative AI powered search and conversational experience with this uh, Gen app builder. This is also quite handy too. We can utilize it. Service. Okay, next one is in the code generation. So in the AWS, we have the code whisper we have that generates the suggestions and it gives you the snippets, functions, and all in real time it will be creating. In the IDE, it's very easy to integrate with any IDE. We can integrate it. And GitHub Copilot, that is again like a wonderful, we have code generation 2 service that we have. So it will create the bipolate and repetitive code patterns to help you spend less time in searching and all. One thing I like about it, like if you are like uh, using this Microsoft, any services and all, even in the like if you are using Azure portal and all, you will find this GitHub Copilot giving you suggestions and all. You can integrate it anywhere easily. So it's quite handy. So next one from the Google, we have, okay, the next one from the Google is the Duet AI. Earlier it was known as the Duet AI for developers. Now it is known as Gemini Code Assist. So it is AI assisted application development. So we can have increased software development and delivery velocity with using this generative AI assistance. So along with some security and privacy we can have. So, and there is a natural language chat option is also there. So we can also have with some code customization with private code bases and all. And again, it is available with the multiple IDEs we can integrate. So these are the code generation services that are being provided by three major cloud service providers. So just I tried to summarize the things like in this video, I have just discussed about what are the foundation models that AI services are being using, or how we can customize those models and all as per our requirements and all. And some like foundation models, like they have the pre-trained data set available with them, so we can utilize those also. And we can also go ahead with the low code, no code development, as well as we can utilize this code generation services from the three service cloud providers. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.